How to upgrade Windows 8 or 8.1 to Windows 10. In this video, I will show you how can you easily upgrade your Windows version from 8 or 8.1 to 10. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head towards Control Panel in your device. So go to the search bar, simply right click on it and click on Control Panel. After that, there you will see the option of Windows Update. Simply choose that option. Now in Windows Update, you will see the latest version of Windows, so simply click on Get Started after you see Windows 10. Then after, click on Accept. Once you have clicked on Accept, now you can schedule your update. Simply choose the date and time in which time you want to get the upgrade. And that's it. That is how easily you can upgrade your Windows 8 or 8.1 to Windows 10. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.